Hello there. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the bulb for the reversing light in a Mark II Ford Focus. Well, that's the bulb that lives down here on the left side of the vehicle. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right. The bulb we need for this job is easily available and inexpensive. Specifically, it's a P21W. We now need to access the bulb socket, which is behind the lens about there. And to get to that, we look under the bumper and upwards. There it is. Now that socket needs to be removed. And to do that, we turn it anti-clockwise, like so, and then pull back. And now we can see the bulb. To remove the bulb from the socket, push it slightly in, then twist anti-clockwise and pull. There we go. Now, when handling the new bulb, it's best not to touch the glass with your bare hands. And that's because the oil from your hands can stick to the glass. That can cause the bulb to heat up unevenly and shorten its life. So today we have some gloves. Apart from needing gloves, installing the new bulb is simply the reverse of what I've already shown you. So we push the bulb into the socket, and to do that we line up these lugs on the side of the bulb with the corresponding holes here in the socket. And then we twist the bulb clockwise to lock it into position. Just like that. Next, we push the bulb and the socket back into the hole in the light. Then twist them clockwise to lock them in position. Place your bets now then. Do you think it works? Let's test it and find out. So, ignition on, but we won't start the car. Slip it into reverse. And now let's have a look. Cross your fingers. Yes, we've been successful. Anyway, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content, which includes more on this Ford Focus and various other cars. Can you also please do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time when hopefully, fingers crossed, we won't have any blown bulbs. Bye-bye.